Hey heroes, I've been making a lot of money online and I'm just going to show you a proven method that is going to work for you and make you a lot of money. You're going to make $200 to $600 a day from the comfort of your home without doing anything. Probably you have seen a lot of videos online that tell you to call random businesses and just have a phone call with them and try to sell your business. But there are two problems for most people as beginners for this method. First problem is that the businesses you call can't trust you because you don't have any legit business and they cannot easily trust someone that calls them randomly and asks them to give them money for a service. And the second problem is that most people that call these businesses don't have the confidence and knowledge of cold calling. If you are not comfortable talking to complete strangers to sell your service or product, they can feel your anxiety and your nervousness, and this can have a negative effect on them. And if you do that and don't get any sales and just get rejected many times, you lose your hope and give up completely. So in this video, I'm going to show you a method that can work very well without these two issues. In this method, we're going to sell pre-designed websites for some specific professions without doing anything ourselves. And also I'll add a method in addition to that can double up your sales in the following months. So there are 3 steps for getting successful in this method, and I will go one by one and explain to you exactly what you need to do. Stay tuned until the end of the video because all the details can increase your chance of success so much. In this step, first, you need to create a business name, a logo, and a website for your business to show that you are reliable and legit, and also have a page of testimonials where people have talked about us positively can really make the clients or the businesses trust us easily. You may ask me, how can we create a free website and also a free logo and a page of testimonials that make the customers trust us? I will show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we need is a business name. You can go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you several business names related to selling websites. And after that, you can search Canva Logo Maker to make a free logo for yourself. The next thing we need is a free website. So again, we go to Canva to do that. If you search on Google, one-page website builder Canva, you can go to this page where you can create a free website by Canva. On the left page, there are different templates we can choose to create our website, and some of them are paid and many of them are free. So I will go and search here to find a website with testimonials page. So I search testimonials and it gives me the websites which have this page. So now I go and choose one of them which doesn't have this pro, which is a paid version. And for example, I choose this template called Leave the Tech to Us. I think its name is Tech Website in blue, purple, white, okay? And now I can choose any page I want. So I choose the first page here. I click on the plus here and then I have the page here, the first page. You can put the logo on the top area and also change the text and make it customized for your service, which is going to be selling websites, okay? And then I can add a page here at the bottom and add, for example, what we offer, the services we offer here, the different things like different websites for different professions like painters, electricians. So we have this page here, which is testimonials, and here you add some of the good reviews for your business, and you can create them here and put here so that the businesses that see you can trust you. And that's it. So we have 3 pages for our websites. So here we can go and publish the website, okay? To publish the website, when we click this, there are 2 options for us. There is a free domain version that we can choose the Canva domain, and also it would have the Canva in the address line, like ourwebsite.canva.com. Or we can go and purchase a new domain here that you have to pay some money for just subscription, monthly subscription, but it's not that much and you can charge it from the customers when you are selling the website. So that's the way you can create your website and have some proof to show to your clients that you are a legit business. So now that we have created the website, we go to step 2. If you like the video so far, please like and subscribe so it can help me to create more videos like this for you. In step 2, we outsource the whole job of cold calling to a professional who can make the sales for us. To hire this person, we can go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and search for cold calling. So if you go to Fiverr and search cold calling, we can see that there is a person here. I will do cold calling for you. I'm expert in it. And then we click it and we can see that this gig has 132 reviews with 5 stars. So it means that this person is really a professional in his job. And here we can see that there are different plans for you, like $20 and $95, If you go with $20, they will make it 120 calls. It means that 120 businesses they will call. These people will talk to you and ask you for permission to create a catchy script to have a high rate of selling. Imagine that you have hired a professional and then you want to sell pre-designed websites for house painters in a specific area. So to find the pre-designed templates, we go to a website called ThemeForest. In this website, you can see different templates for different WordPress websites. So here we search for house painters. So here we can see that there is a template for a painting business, which costs $60. So if I click through it, I can see that there is a button here, Live Preview. It shows us a general preview of what this website is and what are the different pages. So I click the Live Preview and I can see the demo version of the website. So here is the demo version of the website with different buttons at the top, like Home, About, Services. And also there is if you go down, there is a section about why choose us. And then there is the gallery section where the painting company can put some of the previous work they have done. And at the bottom here, there is a section which is a testimonial section with different people coming here to give the testimonials for that painting company. So this is a very nice website that we can create for that company. And we take some of these photos and we give it to the agent that we have for cold calling. So our agent can show the photos to the business and tell them that what the website would be like if they buy from us. And the painting company decides to buy a website from you. You have to customize this template design for their needs. The first thing we need is a domain name for their business with their business.com and also a hosting company. If we go to the GoDaddy.com and the web hosting plans, we can see that there is a plan here, web hosting economy, where you pay $8 per month and you have a free domain and a web hosting service for a year. After you have the domain name and a web hosting company, then we go to Fiverr again and find a professional who can install WordPress theme for us. If you search install WordPress themes on Fiverr, we can see that there are different gigs here. I click this gig here that says, I will install WordPress multi-site network and plugins. And this person charges $15 to do the whole job for us. So after you hire this professional to install the theme, the website is ready and you can deliver it to your customer. But we have to see how much we have to charge to make a good profit here. The first thing we are charging is $20 for a professional who will do the cold calling for us. And then we have $50 for a website template from ThemeForest. And there is $100 here for GoDaddy for web hosting and domain, and also $15 for a professional to install the WordPress template. So the total cost would be $185 for us to make the website completely ready to use. These websites are sold by many web design companies with high prices like $5,000 to $8,000 per website. Imagine that you set the price for $1,000. If we give an offer like 20% off, we are selling this website for $800. If we reduce the cost, we can pocket $615. And if we sell 3 websites in a week, we can pocket $1,900 a week, which is great because we are almost doing nothing for this business. But now we are not done yet. We can go to step 3 and I give you a technique to increase your sales even more. After you've done sales and earned money, you can now have a list of clients with their emails. And with this list of emails, we can start doing email marketing campaign to earn more money. For this purpose, we are using a platform called Klaviyo. It's a free email marketing platform that can help you to create very catchy email with giving you lots of free designs to choose from. If you remember, we created a website in the first part of the video for our business. Now we can integrate that website to this Klaviyo platform and start doing email marketing. If you don't know how to do that, there is a section in the Klaviyo website called Klaviyo Academy where you can learn all the techniques of integration and how to create email marketing campaigns with different flows. The Klaviyo platform has different plans with a free plan and also paid versions. So you can start with the free plan in Klaviyo, which you can send to 500 emails for free. For more emails, you have to go to different paid versions. You can try this method not only with painting businesses, but with different other businesses like plumbers, electricians, and by sending these emails regularly, you increase your chances of getting more sales in future. Heroes, thank you very much for watching so far. And I really hope that you can start this method and share your results in the comment below. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.